Hello guys, AI Signal is here to introduce you a new tool. Have you ever taken a photo and you didn't want an object in your photo? For example, one of your friends took a photo of you in the street, but you don't want cars around you or people or whatever you think, you don't want them in your photo. Well, don't worry if you don't know how to Photoshop images. Because today we want to introduce you an AI tool that can remove an object from your photo and the AI will reconstruct the background of the removed object. If you are ready, let's go, but don't forget to subscribe AI Signal. Okay, to get started you need to go to the photoeditor.ai website. After entering the website, you can choose your photo from this section. At this stage, just change the size of the brush and drag on the object that you want to remove. Now let's just see the result. Okay, now let's go together to show you more example of using this tool. As you saw, by using artificial intelligence, we were able to easily remove objects, people, shadows, cars, and everything else from our photos. If you like it, like and subscribe. Thank you and appreciate it for your support. See you soon.